Come on guys, let's eat! What we had here, we have two kinds of chicken, the spicy one and non-spicy and pizza. Let's try the spicy chicken with the ranch sauce. So delicious. I love the spicy chicken. I really miss eating the American foods. Come on guys, join us. And now, let's try this American pizza. So yummy-licious. I love the American pizza too. And this is the ranch sauce, one of my favorite dipping sauce for my spicy chicken. Wow, very crunchy and juicy chicken. So far tonight, I really enjoy my dinner. See you next vlog. Bye-bye.